In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix where your mouse double clicks when you are trying to single click. Let's get started. First up, launch your device manager. Now from here, head over to the option Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right click on your mouse, select Update. Likewise, uninstall the device and again reinstall it. Then unplug your mouse from the computer, plug it back in and check if the issue is gone. If not, open the Start menu again. Go to Settings. Now head over to the option Bluetooth and Devices. Then navigate to the option Mouse. Scroll down and choose Additional Mouse Settings. Reduce the double click speed to about 1/4. Then go to the Pointer Options tab and disable Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply and OK. Next, open the Files Explorer, click three horizontal dots at the top, choose Options and under click Items as follows, select Single Click to open an item, then Apply and OK. If none of these fixes work, the problem may be physical. Dust or debris stuck under the mouse buttons. Firmly press and hold each mouse button for about 10 seconds or tap them rapidly to loosen anything stuck inside. You can also wipe the spaces between the buttons with a cloth. And that's it. With these, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.